Rattler Farmstead. I'm gonna do a little installation video. Got a little cigarette lighter LED USB port to put on the tractor. I just got the hole, ain't got nothing in there. Just had a little rubber boot on it. I'm gonna take a couple of screws out. No, it is two little Phillips head. And they're holding it on there. And you can see it ain't no wires ran up to it. So it's got some wires right here. I guess if you wanted to hook some more lights or something up, I don't know. I'm gonna make sure the hot one there, and we'll splice into that one. Turn the key on the battery. Do test light. Put on a bolt or something where you get a good ground and it don't flop off like it, or it's bent, no wonder. Alright, let's see. She got some voltage. Yep. Right there. 11.7 volts. Good deal. Turn that key back off. So now I know which one we can go to. And that's this pack up. Let's see what we open this baby up. I got this from off Amazon. You can go to my Amazon page and find it. But it's for boat and stuff, so it's got the waterproof cap on it. It's got the USB for charging your cameras or phone or whatever. You got the wires and the fuse. That shouldn't be too bad of a deal. I'll feed them through here. Straighten them out. That way you give me a little bit more length on them. Feed them through here. Maybe just feed them this way. Yep. You know that's the hot one. You know this is the ground. It's a little hard to do, try not to block the camera so you guys can see. You're gonna cut these off. I know this is the hot one. I know this is the ground. Skin them off. Yeah. Give it a little tuggy. Make sure they crimped on her that time. Same ends on this side too, that way I don't get them mixed up one day. Yeah. Same thing here. A little hard to get in there. Hope I best have other crimpers. Like so. That's a hook the hot to the hot. Ground to the ground. Already got the fuse in it. That's hot one, so I don't hit something and short it out. And they help hold it. And hold it together. Vibration, everything. And I'll pull the wire, pull the slack on through here a little bit more. keep you out of the weather. Then we'll take this little screw that lock nut off. Oh, come on now. And it don't fit the hole. So I'm gonna take this and just hone the hole out a little bit. Ah, there she is. Like that. Take your lock nut back on there, tighten her down. Kind of hard to get your fingers up in there. Like that. Then your wires back up out here. It says you on the plug, you know, positive or negative. There it is. Just like that. Then just put your little screws back in here. Just like that. All it is to it. That's a little easy do-it-yourselfer thing. And nice waterproof cover for it. But thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the videos. I got a lot of videos I'm working on. It really helps out the channel a lot. Again, appreciate you guys watching. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. And I get back to my comments. I check them all the time. I appreciate everything you guys do. Like always, you better start small than not start at all.